Arrived here in Annville, Pennsylvania, here with Mr. Style Garment himself. ProSeal in the house right here at their main shop. Look at this. They've got some sick branding. They've got their big truck over there that they're rolling with. They've got their equipment over here all branded. They've got their bulk tank in the back. They've got other bulk tanks over there. They've got Powerliner 3500 S's right here, and the Lazy Liner Elite that we've just brought in because, of course, we're hosting the AK Roundup Pro Striping Workshop that is happening tomorrow, April 13th and 14th, and we have 50 people that are coming in for this event. It's going to be badass. For all of you that are attending, you have your chance to win that baby right there, Powerliner 3500S. We also have a 5-day Caribbean vacation that we're giving away, and also 2 seats of King Boss level on ak-.com, the customer management system and the proposal engine that keeps your systems all tied together to help you close more deals and to, of course, create success. Anyway, we're looking forward to having you. Definitely click that link. We have a couple more spots that are available. Click that link right there, and we will 100% see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
If you like this video, go ahead and check out this video or check out this video. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe right here below.